Okay, well, g'day guys. I'm back at the shortcut today, and I thought I'd share something with you. So, look, I've done a little bit of work on it today. What I've done is a little bit more tabbing in the subfloor and the inside there. I've also laminated some of the bulkheads. We'll go and have a look at that actually. But that's not what the video is going to be about. We'll just have a look. So, over here, these are the bulkheads. So what I've done is I've started to laminate them. I've done one side. I've got an air bubble there that I'm going to have to grind out and fix up. And there we go. Now those bulkheads, Thermalite, what I've done with those is I've got 3 layers of double bias on each side. So 600 gram double bias with CSM. But like I said, that's not what this video is about. Now, what I wanted to do is show you something that's a little bit surprised me a little bit. Now, I am not a shipwright and I don't work on boats full-time, permanently or anything else. I'm just a DIY junkie. Love doing DIY stuff because I can't afford to pay people to do it. But anyway, look at this. So these have got bolt-on alloy pods. And something that we decided to do was actually check the bolts on them. So I've got the bolts here, but we'll go up inside the boat and have a squiz. Have a look at these bolts. And you might be surprised at what I'm going to show you. Oh, let me get up here. Old fella can still move around all right, eh? So up inside here, you can see subfloors down. Bit more work to do there. Bulkheads are over there. But let's have a look at these bolts. So essentially these are the bolts that were holding the motor on that pod, or the motors on that pod. I'll find the right one first. Oh, here we go. Now, check this out. So these are stainless steel bolts. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of damage there. Oxidization, whatever you call it, and it's discoloured there. It wasn't like that colour when it actually came out of the boat. I think it's just been sitting around in the air a bit now and it's sort of gone. But the whole point of me doing this is just to show you how important it is to do things like maintenance, I guess. If you've got a pod on the back of your boat, maybe you should be checking them to see whether or not your bolts are in good nick. So that's quite a bit of damage there, I would think. You wouldn't want that to snap when you're out at sea or you're coming off the back of a big monster wave, you know. That could end pretty badly. So just a word, I guess. I mean, like I said at the start of this, I don't do this full time. I'm just a DIY junkie, so make sure you check your bolts. Make sure you do it, you know. This boat's probably 40 years old. I don't know how long those pods have been on the back of this thing, but you can see that we've braced it up as well with some aluminium straps, alloy straps. So hopefully that'll make it a little bit stronger as well. Didn't have any of that on there. That's what surprised me about it too. So maintenance. Check these things. All right. That's it. Just wanted to show you that, guys. Thought you might get some interest out of that. There you go. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, guys.